What's up, guys? Jeep and Bubba here. So a couple weeks ago I was pulling something with my hitch and the hook slipped, grabbed my bumper and bent it up. It's hard to tell in this video, but it was a good excuse to get a new rear bumper. I'm doing a pre-runner style bumper and I'm thinking about chopping the sides of my bed to match. So let's see what happens. Alright, it's about an hour and a half later, a little dirtier, but look at there. Rear bumper's on from Barricade, got the tag lights working, and yep, we 45'd it, pre-runnered it out. I think it turned out pretty good. Pretty happy with the overall looks. So it's the night before we have a trail cleanup. That's tomorrow. So if you're watching this at after midnight, it's about midnight now. We'll see the trail cleanup tomorrow. If you're seeing this later, you're thinking about doing a rear bumper on your Ram, I got that from American Truck. Barricade's not a product I sell. They didn't give it to me. I think I paid about 650 bucks, and you get to keep your factory hitch. They include the tag lights, so not a bad deal. Each Prunes will be seeing you.